Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you a step-by-step tutorial how to wheelie. Now there's going to be 4 crucial steps. First step, you have to learn how to flip your bike over using your dominant foot. Second step, you have to learn how to catwalk. After you learn how to catwalk, the third step, you're gonna have to learn how to bend your knees, no diddy. And the final step, you have to learn how to tap your brakes. It's very crucial to tap your brakes, because if you don't, you're just gonna fall back and you're just gonna land like this kid.
No brakes. The brakes.
Finally, if you're gonna learn how to wheelie, one thing I will say before you even start, wear a helmet. Don't be like me who does not wear a helmet. I never wear a helmet doing this, you know, you get what I mean. But I hope this tutorial really helps, because this is how I learn how to wheelie, step by step. Each step is my process, how I learn how to wheelie over time when I start wheeling. All right, let's go. First thing you need to do when you're about to start a wheelie, you need to find your dominant foot. Mine is on my left side. So when you're about to pull up, you have to have your pedal at a 10 or 11 o'clock position like this. And when you're about to pull up, it's very important that you lean forward. Leaning forward is what helps you be able to bring the bike up. Now, once you do that, make sure you land on your feet. This is the first crucial step. All right, now I'm about to pull up so you guys know and understand. Watch my legs and how I move my body, and make sure you lean back too. Just like that, to flip the bike over. Land on both of your feet. It's very crucial. Once you're able to flip your bike, that's how you know you're making progress, because you're able to flip your bike and you're able to move on to the next step, and you're just starting to get in the groove how to wheelie like this. Very important that you learn this. Remember, like I said, you're supposed to lean forward and lean back at the same motion. It's very important you do this, or else you're just going to be stuck just doing one thing or another. Pay attention. Lean forward, and I pull back like that. Very important that you lean back, or else you won't be able to pull the bike back. And don't be scared, all right? The worst gonna happen is you just land on your feet. Very important that you land on your feet, or else you're just gonna fall like a dummy. And make sure you wear your helmet.
Like Humpty Dumpty.
Like Humpty Dumpty, you mean? So if you fall, the helmet cracks, and not you. All right, now I'm about to teach you the second step to wheelie. Now, the second step to wheelie is you have to catwalk. Catwalking is literally just standing up and pedaling on your bike. Now, you have to find the right speed, the right movement, whether you have to go too slow or a little fast or just right. It's about finding that right balance point. And that's what bikes is all about, or in bike life, finding that your right balance point at the right time, using the right movement, using your muscle memory. Now, I'm about to catwalk. Now, I go at a little fast pace, you mean? Go like this. I'm about to pull up, and I just lean back like this. Use your dominant foot, lean forward, pull back, and just keep pedaling. You can try to use the brakes if you can. If not, it's cool. Try to catwalk, move forward and back. Just gotta keep pedaling and pedaling and pedaling. If you can get 5 pedals, that's good. So you can move on to the next step. Catwalking is very crucial and important to learn as the second step, how to wheelie. Last thing I need to say is when you learn how to catwalk, you're gonna have problems flipping your bike. Only get 1 or 2 pedals in. You have to just keep on trying and trying until you get that flow and that movement right. Or else you're just never gonna learn. You're just gonna keep flipping your bike, and you're not gonna try to get that right progression, the right results. It's very important. When you catwalk, like I said, you can't go too slow and you can't go too fast. You have to find that right balance point to be able to do the tricks you need to do. Now I'm on gears, you know, this is a little easier for me. I know most of you guys are on BMX bikes or whatever trying to wheelie, but you have to just find that right motion. tension. Let's go with the flow with the pedal. This is the third step, how to wheelie. Very important, bend your knees, no diddy. This is how you sit down. While you're catwalking, try to bend your knees to sit down. It's very crucial you learn this, or else you're just gonna be struggling trying to sit down, trying to stiff wheelie and all that. You don't want to stiff wheelie, you want to do this comfortably. All right, start off with the catwalk, and then you want to try to practice just sitting down slowly like this. Catwalk, sit down. 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 All right, this is the fourth and final step to learn how to wheelie. Now, it's very important that you use your brakes. Tapping the brakes is like muscle memory. You want to tap the brakes at your balance point, or as soon as you go past your balance point. It's very crucial to do that. Now, it's going to take a lot of adjusting how your brakes feel and all that. Make sure your brakes work and you tap your brakes. Very important you tap your brakes, or you're just going to fall after you get past that balance point. All right, I'm about to start tapping my brakes. Now, it depends on your preference, whether you want to use 1 or 2 fingers, depending how good or bad your brakes are. And if I was you, I would recommend just checking your brakes, get a V-brake system or a disc brake system. I use a disc brakes, and I use MT200s to my bike. All right, pay attention. I'm using 1 finger. You can use 2 if you want. Very important to learn how to glide. Look at my wheel. See how it just falls back? And I just start pedaling. I'm pedaling, I'm pedaling, pedaling. My bike wants to fall back. I just start pedaling again. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Once that wheel gets too high, tap the brakes. All right, guys, that's all the steps I got for you to learn how to wheelie. This is how I learned how to wheelie. I really hope this tutorial really helped. If you want more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe for more. I'll be making all types of wheelie tutorials, starting from the ground up, just regular wheeling, doing simple combos and making the way up. I hope this tutorial really helps, and I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys tune in for more. Make sure you guys check out my other platforms on Instagram, on TikTok. I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope you guys tune in, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.